Want to create a private space on Roblox, or you can play with just your friends or a select group of people? Let me show you how to set up a private server in no time. Start by opening the Roblox app on your device. This works seamlessly on both iOS and Android. Once you're in, navigate to the game or experience you'd like to create a private server for. Find and select your chosen experience. On the Experience page, scroll down until you see the Servers option. Tap on it to explore the server settings. In the Servers tab, look for the option to create a private server. Tap on Create Private Server, and you'll be prompted to name your server. Pick a name that fits the vibe. Keep in mind that some experiences might charge a fee for creating a private server. If it's free, you're good to go. If there's a fee, confirm the purchase and tap Buy Now to finalize the setup. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own private server. You can now invite specific friends or enjoy some exclusive gameplay. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.